Welcome to BoostMind AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built a profitable business using only AI tools. No fancy team, no huge budget, just strategy, execution, and the power of artificial intelligence. If you're ready to build smarter, not harder, stay with me. Let's start at the beginning. I had the idea, create a digital service business focused on content and automation, but I didn't want to hire writers, designers, or even assistants, so I turned to AI. Here's how I used it. Step by step. Step 1. Business planning. I started by using ChatGPT to brainstorm business names, define my audience, and outline my value proposition. It even helped write my entire business plan in under an hour. I saved days of work. Step 2. Branding and design. I used Lookover and Canva AI tools to create my logo, brand colors, and social media banners. Then with DALL, I generated original visuals for the website and marketing assets. No designer needed. Step 3. Website creation. I used Durable.co, an AI website builder. Just answered a few questions, and the site was ready in minutes. With Copy.ai, I wrote all landing page copy, clear, conversion optimized, and SEO friendly. Step 4. Content creation. This is where AI saved me the most time. I used ChatGPT to write blog posts, emails, and scripts. Pictory turned those scripts into YouTube videos automatically. For social content, I used Notion AI to brainstorm ideas, and Public to schedule them. Step 5. Client work. With AI for services like content strategy, I built frameworks using ChatGPT, custom GPTs for graphic design, Canva Magic Design, or DALL for summarizing or transforming client materials. Claude and Notion AI. I became a one-person AI-powered agency. Step 6. Automation and admin. I used Zapier to automate workflows, like capturing leads and sending onboarding emails. Flowrite helped me write personalized replies faster. GrammarlyGO checked everything for tone and professionalism. No virtual assistant needed. The result: I launched the business in 14 days, got my first clients in 30, and hit 4 figures in profit within 60 days, all while spending less than $100 per month on tools. Final thoughts. AI won't replace your creativity or vision, but it can give you leverage. You can move faster, smarter, and more efficiently. If you're thinking of launching something, use AI as your co-founder. This is BoostMind AI, helping you build with intelligence. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know, what AI tool would you build your business around?